Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting product comparison for you. We will be evaluating two powerful processors from Intel, the Intel Core i7-11700K and the Intel Core i5-12600K. But before we dive into the details, don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel for more tech content. Let's get started. When it comes to price, the Intel Core i7-11700K comes in at $459, while the Intel Core i5-12600K is priced at $342. Although the i7 processor is slightly more expensive, the i5 offers exceptional value for its performance. It's a great option if you're looking for a budget-friendly option without compromising too much on power. In terms of compatibility, both processors have their advantages. The Intel Core i7-11700K is compatible with Intel 500 series and select Intel 400 series chipset-based motherboards. On the other hand, the Intel Core i5-12600K utilizes the socket i7-11700 socket, allowing it to be placed on the PCB without soldering. This gives users more flexibility in motherboard options. When it comes to performance, both processors excel in their own way. The Intel Core i7-11700K features Intel Turbo Boost Max Technology 3.0 support, Intel Optane memory support, and PCIe Gen 4.0 support. On the other hand, the Intel Core i5-12600K offers hyper-threading architecture, improved onboard graphics, and Turbo Boost. Both processors deliver high performance for demanding applications. It's important to note that the Intel Core i7-11700K does not include a thermal solution in the package. However, the i5-12600K comes with a built-in Intel UHD graphics controller that provides great graphics and visual quality. If you already have a compatible cooling solution or are planning to use dedicated cooling, the lack of a thermal solution with the i7 processor won't be an issue. The Intel Core i5-12600K boasts 16 MB of L3 cache, which rapidly retrieves the most used data available, improving system performance. Additionally, it features Intel 7 architecture, enabling improved performance per watt and making it power efficient. The i7 processor, on the other hand, offers different advantages in terms of cache size and microarchitecture. And that concludes our comparison between the Intel Core i7-11700K and the Intel Core i5-12600K. Both processors have their strengths and are suitable for different types of users. Which one is right for you depends on your specific needs and budget. Make sure to let us know your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth product comparisons. Thanks for watching.